there is this Vera Rubin observatory. So Vera Rubin is an astronomer, one of the most sort of like celebrated astronomers. She is sort of like credited with the discovery, not the discovery, but certainly the hypothesis about dark matter. The idea of dark matter had been around for a few decades before that, but she's the one who actually really did work on individual galaxies and saw sort of like evidence for dark matter, that it must be there. There's something weird going on. One of the leading astronomers over there, and the new telescope that is going to see its first light, meaning to say it's going to start operating soon in Chile. This is a big telescope, amazing. It's going to start in July, I think July or August of this year. And it's named Vera Rubin Observatory. And on that site, it actually talks about sort of like, her struggles as a woman, being a woman in astronomy. And then it also talks about that Vera Rubin Observatory strives for, they understand, for example, the challenges that women astronomers feel and so on and so forth. Well, that piece, especially the second piece, is now gone from the website. And so this is, I do want to credit, this was work done by ProPublica. It's a ProPublica article on it. And it talks about that initially, the first paragraph was also gone, which said, science is still a male-dominated... Actually, this is the paragraph that is gone. So I just want to, again, a small thing. Why would somebody go out and eliminate this particular paragraph? So it used to say, science is still a male-dominated field, but Rubin Observatory is working to increase participation from women and other people who have historically been excluded from science. Rubin Observatory welcomes everyone who wants to contribute to science and take steps to lower or eliminate barriers that exclude those with less privileges. That particular paragraph, somebody thought that it was objectionable in the current circumstances and has been removed. And so this is, when we are talking about small things, well, here is an example, but here is also an example of, in some sense, how small and petty these kind of things are becoming, that thinking about lowering the barriers to, that for historical reasons why there were those barriers there, and if you try to lower those, and recognizing that astronomy and sciences in general, although astronomy is slightly better than physics, for example, but still, that everybody knows that it has been a male-dominated field, and it has not been because women are not smart.